Being consistent is one of the things we find how to do, like being consistent in writing or doing something that will help you crush your goals. Habit makes up our lifestyle. There are things that you do every day without even thinking twice. It shapes your life. It could be making you or destroying you. You can actually quit old habit that aren't beneficial to you, but it takes time, it takes hard work, it takes consistency and persistence. Now, before a habit can become a habit, a mindset has to be established. So in today's video, I'm going to share how you can build habits and stick to it. First thing first, what do you want to achieve and why? Number one, start little by little. Write down your goals, break them into smaller pieces, pick the list of them and start doing them, especially the one that matter the most. Start by doing them once or twice a week. Consistently do it weekly, and before you know it, it becomes a habit. I know you want to achieve that goal fast, but do not pack 5 to 10 tasks to do. It will eventually choke you, which will make you give up. So just take 1 to 2 tasks and start with. Please, while doing it, don't give yourself pressure. If you want to build a habit of reading a book, then always put it where you can see it. Maybe in your bag, your desk, or whatever, or wherever you are. Just always put it somewhere you can see it as a reminder for you, so that you can read few pages, either 1 or 2 pages in your free time. If you want to build a habit of drinking water, then get a bottle of water or a flask filled with water. Always take it around with you, and before you know it, whenever you are with it, you have that reminder that you need to be drinking water. The second thing is, have a habit calendar or a habit tracker. It could be a jotter where you can write down the habits or goals you want to achieve, so that once you're done achieving one, you tick it there and then move on to the next one. The major thing is to stay consistent. To stay consistent, you have to know the reason why you want to form that habit. What motivated you at first? What will be the end result? Consistency remind you of it. So the value, it reminds you of the value it will bring, the importance of it. So always know your why. Don't be hard on yourself whether you are consistent or not. Just be flexible, be free with yourself. Let this be a reminder to you: when you feel like you are a failure, you fail only when you give up. Don't give up on that goal and habit you want to form. When you fail, ask yourself why it happened, dust yourself and move on in the positive way. Reflect on your failures, learn about what works and doesn't work for you. Just be patient with yourself and keep trying. You will definitely, like definitely, achieve what you want. I wish you the best in this journey. Love you all and see you all in my next video. If you know you have a habit or something you want to achieve, then you can put it in the comment section. I can give you 1 or 2 tips on how you can do it. Thank you and see you all in my next video. Bye.